I have a teaspoon of nutritional yeast, and I have a half a cup of flour. I got a fourth of a cup of cornstarch. I got a half a teaspoon of basil, half a teaspoon of sea salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, half a teaspoon of cumin, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of paprika, half a teaspoon of onion powder. I added another half teaspoon of sea salt because I couldn't really taste the salt. All right, I'm gonna make up the batter for the tofu. Okay, a half a cup of flour, 1 teaspoon of sea salt. I added another half teaspoon of sea salt because I couldn't really taste the salt. A teaspoon of black pepper, half a teaspoon of cumin. And mix that up. Add some water. Okay, this is the consistency you want. I'm gonna add a little Louisiana hot sauce to this batter, and also a little ketchup. Here is the hot sauce. Okay, that's about enough. If you don't like hot, spicy food, don't add it. Add a little ketchup. That's about a half teaspoon. Oh, there's one other item I'm gonna add, and that's about a half teaspoon. There we go. All right, mix that, and that's it. All right, we already pressing the tofu over here. There it is right there. I'm gonna take it out of the presser and cut it up so that we can fry it. I'm gonna take the tofu out now.
Betty, here is your reminder. You finished.
This tofu is so crispy on the outside and so juicy on the inside. It's an excellent recipe if you want something fried. You're missing your chicken, fry up this. The outside is very crispy. It's very crispy on the outside. So try it. It's delicious. And thanks so much for watching. Thanks so much for subscribing to my channel. Thank you very much.